Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need World Edit installed and operator rights. Once you confirm that, pick the wand and mark two opposite corners. First, stand at one corner and left-click to set position 1, then walk to the diagonal corner and right-click to set position 2. Make sure your selection includes the full height or use //HPOS to adjust. Once done, inspect the selection with //size so you know the block count and boundaries before copying. With the region selected, face the direction that will be treated as the front and run //copy. This saves blocks relative to your position. If you want to exclude air, add A. To change orientation before placing, use //rotate degrees or //flip for mirroring, and combine with //stack if repeating. Make sure to test on a small sample first. Once confident, move to the target area and prepare the anchor point for the paste operation. When you're ready, position yourself at the paste anchor and execute //paste. Include a to ignore air or O to force overlap. After pasting, walk through the structure to verify integrity and use //undo immediately if something is wrong. You can then adjust rotation or position and //redo. If it doesn't paste, check clipboard size, confirm you have sufficient permissions, and inspect World Edit's max chunk or paste limits. Resizing the selection or changing server limits usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.